Y'all, the pain level I'm feeling, I ain't gonna lie, right now, one of the painful tattoos, other than my small one. Only reason why it's painful is because I had to bend in a certain angle to achieve this tattoo. Another thing I'm freaking mad at, the app would not let me turn a font inverted way. So I'm pissed off. So it's like Achiever, but you can't read it left to right type shit. So I'm totally pissed. Like I gotta live with this on my skin, but I did it. You know, it's a lesson learned. And then I'm not gonna lie, be patient. Cause I was rushing. I'm trying to get this content out for y'all because I ain't been posting for a minute. So it's all bad. Like this just a life lesson for me to stay consistent and then not rush anything. Just do it. Like you know, take your time and it's gonna make sense. But like it's coming out clean. It's just at the end when I'm finished, it still ain't gonna be what I want it to be because it ain't in perfect placement. As far as the font reading from left to right, you know, we all learn and born to read left and right. So it's like when people ask, "Hey, what that saying on your leg?" It's like Achiever, boss. But I did it wrong. I did my tattoo. Don't judge me. I don't know, but like, let me know if y'all had any beginner mistakes like that. But it kind of blew me. I've noticed it later on. So now it's just like. So I know this video a little bit different. You know, I'm doing like a little speed through because, you know, last videos was like excessively long and I paid attention to my watch time. But right now I'm just doing the outline and whatnot. Like I said, the placement is not right, but it turned out great and we got it done. So as you can tell, I was in excruciating pain from like the waist on down because my legs started getting numb. But we got the job done and the tattoo came out great. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product soon. So yeah, I don't know, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I should get more videos out to y'all. Without further ado, let me show y'all the finishing product. That's how it looks so far. So y'all POV. That's how much we got now. I think we can achieve it. What y'all think? Let me know. I'm an achiever, so I can achieve it. I'm so freaking pissed. I believe my next tattoo may be on my thigh, so I'm well aware that it's gonna be extremely tender. But you know, we're gonna get to it. I want my whole left leg tatted, but that's gonna be a journey right there. My whole left body to be exact, you know, get my sleeve together. I'm scared to do anything on my arm because you gotta stretch that skin and then I don't wanna, you know, mess things up and it don't look right, you know, because it's a lot of twisting and turning. Like, what do y'all think? Y'all think I can achieve it? I mean, like, you see, stretching the skin, like, you know, do I make a muscle? What do y'all suggest? What the tips that y'all, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to get, like, by this summer, some sort of, like, close to, like, a sleeve, you know? But I'm not going to achieve the official sleeve. Of course, I'm going to get things done professionally and then have, like, a professional tattoo artist fill in some of the stuff. But I definitely want to get inked up, man. My golden birthday is September 30th, and I want to be turning 30 years old. And ain't no age limit to these tattoos. A lot of people telling me like, man, I'm too old. It's too late for me to get tattoos. Yada, yada, yada. I'm 27 and all this, man. There's people who's getting tattoos at 50. So it don't stop. The grind don't stop. It's just really about you wanting to take and adhere that pain. So it's really up to y'all, but you tell me. This is my journey. I'm gonna be tatting myself. I ain't gonna be one of them extreme tattoo people who got it all on their face, all on their neck. No, but I am gonna be somewhat inked up. But yeah, I don't know, man. I'm giving myself a break. I'm letting the tattoo needle charge. It was at full battery. I think it lasted a good 3 hours. A good 3 hours. It still has some battery left. Don't get me wrong, it had 2 notches left, but I wanted to charge it up a little bit more just in case this the last part of the shading session, you know what I'm saying? I want to just give myself a little grace period. So yeah, I'm about to get back into the tattooing or whatnot. And I should be able to record little bits and pieces of that. So yeah, stay tuned.
What is that, alcohol?
Clean it. Shit.
That looks like it burned. That looks like it burned.
Yeah, all I know is cleaning. Get one more. One more pass through. Shit.
A close-up look. Achievement. I got that on my stomach, my arm, and I think on my forehead too. On my forehead too, yeah. On my forehead too. Ooh, that black stuff on your leg, when I'm itchy, I do that, and it helps me feel better.
Ooh.
It just got on your carpet.
From select dealers, or hurry into your local Honda dealer today.
So, how much water in your clogged bathtub is too much to stand in? 2 inches? 3? When does the shower stop getting you clean and just make you worry something creepy's come up?
What is that?
That's
Don't
not
worry
really
about
how fun
Plastic
it is.
wrap?
So whatever
Yeah.
gets you to do something
But don't worry about
I'm what to do about it. I'm Green Goblin. I'm bleach-free, safe for your pipes, and I work. Guaranteed.
What the
About some
hell?
freaky shower surfing nibbling at your tootsies.
Your tootsies. What is a tootsie, Dad?
The Goblin.
Your booty.
Your tootsies. You have a nasty tootsie. Dad. You have a nasty tootsie. Does this hurt? When I do this, does it hurt? Look, Dad. Look.
It's a success.
Champion was funny yesterday. She said, Nate.
Look, if y'all made it this far, I appreciate y'all for making it this far. You know what I'm saying? 12 minutes in. Yeah. I just want to say thank everybody for continuing to like watch my videos and enjoy my journey. If you want to tattoo yourself, learn, teach yourself. If you ready for that pain tolerance, these type of videos is for you. I'm making them for y'all. You know what I'm saying? As an entry level myself, just getting into something to feed my ADHD, fuel it, and to keep myself mentally stable and learning something new. You know, when you learn something new, it does something to the brain, spiritually, mentally. You know what I'm saying? So it's just keeping me calm too as well. Not so much of the pain, but it's keeping your boy calm at the end of the day. But yeah, like I said, if y'all made it this far, my video is a little bit different than a lot of the tattoo artists y'all see on YouTube, TikTok, or whatever you want to call it. I'm a little less filtered. I'm true, genuine to myself. So yeah, if you like those type of videos, as y'all continue to bump my subscriber count up, I appreciate y'all. I genuinely do, and thank y'all for 300 subscribers. We did it. But yeah, without further ado, I'll see y'all next time in another video. Maybe it'll be my thigh, maybe it'll be my arm. We'll see. We don't know yet. Maybe it'll be a little technique I'll show y'all. I don't know yet. Maybe it'll be some needles or inks. Don't know yet. But yeah, we'll just see. You know what I'm saying? Continue to stay tuned, subscribe, and peace out. I'll see y'all in another video.